I have applied to a million places, and I swear I haven't gotten a single call back, or all I've gotten are automatic rejections. If you find yourself saying that, then I want you to take a really close look at your resume and ask yourself, why? So I'm here today to talk to you about achievements. I mentioned this in one of my previous reels, but what I'm here to do today is challenge you to think differently about your experience. A lot of times when I look at resumes, what I'm seeing is people who are talking at a recruiter or talking at a hiring leader saying, here's what I did, hire me. But they're not really giving a strong argument as to why these people should hire you. It's a huge investment for a company to hire you. It's your job to explain the value in what you did. So here's the challenge. I want you to start thinking differently about the things that you know. I want every sentence in your resume to follow the following structure. It's going to be thing that you know, and then it's going to be the reason or the value of why the thing that you know matters. So for example, and I use this example all the time, but you know Excel. That's awesome. But what about Excel brings value to your next job? Instead of just listing Microsoft Excel in your resume at the top with maybe your programs, instead you can say utilized Excel to streamline businesses resulting in X number of improvements. This is really important to think about, and this brings me to my next point, which is numbers. Numbers matter, especially to companies. The more metrics that you can put into your resume, the better it translates to a recruiter. I don't want you to get hung up in the numbers. This means that if there was only a 15% improvement, be proud of that 15%. You're demonstrating that you have the ability to measure the success of something. And that's so incredibly important. So when you find yourself saying,